This is what my difficulty with doing YouTube is. I always think to do a video afterwards, sort of in hindsight. I never think to take a photo first or record first or record in the process of. So here's sort of a nearly complete project. My mother was doing Uber a couple weeks back, or maybe a month or so ago, and she got a load order for like a heavy load, but it didn't say how heavy. And it ended up being like a ton of potting soil, and they loaded it up, and then this part in here, it was so heavy it cracked. The whole thing just sort of cracked, and so this is sort of loose now, and it's not holding the weight. If we put anything even light like groceries back here, it just collapses back there, and the piece of wood isn't really worth helping. So we got some plywood, and I cut it. I don't like using the skill saw. It's a bit too loud for my taste, so I used that hacksaw. And I measured and cut the wood, and I just got it glued now, clamped together. But that's going to go in there in two sections and support the any weight put in there. I've got a cross beam that's going to go across here, connect up with these two bits. The only areas where there's a support in the car, it's just the hard plastic here and here, where that there's that little lip. So that's the only support for this soft bit here. And then beyond that, so any weight on this won't hold up. So the support parts on the plywood are just going to be on the side, on the hard bit here, and then back here, this is solid as well. So that's where the support's going to be. But it's not much, but it should hold up some. But we just will make sure that she doesn't accept any really heavy orders anymore. But yeah, so I do interesting projects. I just forget to record them. So then I just have a bunch of photos at the end. Not very exciting. So I'm not good at YouTubing.